Hello, my dear friends. We all know that Einstein is one of the greatest scientists in history, and what a great revolution he made in science, especially physics. This rich intelligence of Einstein has long focused the thoughts of different scientists on him that Einstein's brain is different from human brain. But was his brain really different from other people? Because Einstein was aware of the danger of dissection of his body after his death, he willed that his body be cremated after his death. But exactly what Einstein was afraid of happened. Einstein died on April 13, 1955. At Princeton Hospital, Dr. Harvey secretly stole Einstein's brain. He was curious about what was going on in the brain of this genius. When the hospital found out about this incident, it fired Harvey. But Harvey talked to Einstein's son and convinced him to allow him to do research on his father's brain. Dr. Harvey took Einstein's brain to Pennsylvania, where he took many pictures of Einstein's brain and cut Einstein's brain into 240 smaller pieces. He put each piece in jars and hid them in the basement of his house. This caused Harvey to get into trouble with his wife, who threatened to throw them away if he didn't pick them up. Harvey had to go to Kansas with the pieces of the brain and continue his research there. He kept changing jobs to remain unknown. Harvey's medical license had been revoked. It even got to the point where he had to work in a plastic factory. At this time, Harvey decided to send different parts of Einstein's brain to different specialists from all over the world so that they could start research. After a while, many experts from all over the world published many articles about Einstein's brain. In these studies, it was found that Einstein's brain is completely different from the brain of a normal person. The first difference is in the part called corpus callosum. The human brain consists of two parts. The left brain controls the right part of the body, and the right brain controls the left part of the body. The left side of the brain manages things like calculations and logic, and the right side of the brain handles emotions, art, and more abstract things like creativity. Now suppose you type something with the keyboard. At the same time, when your left hand works, the right side of the brain works, and when your right hand works, the left side of the brain works, connecting the left side of the brain to the right side and vice versa. The exact size of the corpus callosum in Einstein's brain was much larger than normal people. In other words, the connection between the left and right parts of Einstein's brain was much stronger than normal people. The second difference was related to Einstein's brain model. Nerve cells or neurons are the main cause of brain function. The more neurons there are, the higher the speed of information transmission. This means that Einstein's brain had much stronger and faster neuronal currents. The third difference was that Einstein's brain weighed less than normal humans. The brain of an adult human is about 1,400 grams, but Einstein's brain was about 1,230 grams. But the question is, was Einstein born with this brain from the beginning, or did this happen later? After Einstein was born, he started talking at the age of 5, while normal children start to sleep at the age of 2. Einstein's memory was so weak that he could not remember a simple multiplication table. But Einstein's rich intelligence was sparked when Einstein's teacher left his book and Einstein studied the whole book up to date, and sometime after that, at the age of 14, he became a professor of integral and differential. Einstein's mastery was so high that Einstein's professors got nervous when he raised his hand to the question mark, because they could not answer his questions. Doctors and scientists came to the conclusion that Einstein's brain was differentiated after his birth. The biggest reason behind this was that when he couldn't find answers to his questions, he tried to find answers with the help of his brain, and he did this from a young age. This made Einstein's brain grow. Pieces of Einstein's brain are kept in the American Automobile Museum. What do you think? Was Einstein's intelligence inherited or acquired?